Hello Action Takers, this is Alenka from Affiliate Marketing Action Today. Welcome to my channel where I do money-making online product reviews and give you tips on how to start and maintain your affiliate marketing business online. So today I have another review for you of AZ Millionaire Method, a new ClickBank launch product. And just before I dive in, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So, AZ Millionaire Method, what is it? Well, it is a done-for-you system that promotes making money online via Amazon.com. It claims you'll be able to make lots of money in a very short time, and also you apparently won't need much training, nor would you have to spend much time doing this. And yet, somehow you become a millionaire in no time. We'll see. So some pros, this product is sold via ClickBank, so you can get your money back. And if you have purchased this product, I suggest you do ask for your money back. And yes, money making online via Amazon.com is a legitimate business. So those are two things that I found as positive things. Cons, well, there's a fake owner. His name is Ryan Ford. This is just a fictitious person. He doesn't really exist. It's just a narrator. And this is one of the first red flags that I don't like with these products. They never show, or very rarely show, who the owner is, who is the creator of this product, who you can actually talk to if things don't go as expected or as promised, and they won't. Who do you turn to? Who do you ask for help and advice? This fake owner apparently has become a millionaire in a very short space of time by using this method. I have my doubts. All the fake testimonials, for example, and all the fake income reports really don't install much confidence in the fact that this product might work for you. If they have launched this product and said you'll be earning, I don't know, $100 per week to start with, I'd say definitely go for it, maybe try. But actually, this is not worth your time, nor the $37 that is the starter price, because there are some upsells later as well. Because you will never make the money they claim that you will make. And there are some, as I said, exaggerated claims. There's a guy who is just one of the actors that they hire from Fiverr, who says that he started working with this system a month ago, and a month later he's already a millionaire. It's just unheard of. It's just crazy. Of course, this does not happen. And there are either 3 or 4 people claiming that they've earned huge amounts of money through this system. And all the testimonials are really scripted. They're very sleek, very well lit and recorded. Those are not real people, not the real testimonials. Apparently, you won't need much training. I beg to disagree. If you're going to do anything, if you're going to take up, I don't know, crocheting or doing gardening, you'll need to learn skills. You'll need to have a basic knowledge about the thing that you are about to do. So if you're going to become an Amazon affiliate, you definitely need some training. So I don't know why they expect people to believe you won't need any training, and that you won't need to invest any time or work hard. Well, online business is just like any other business. You need to work hard. You need to be there. Yes, maybe some time down the line where your website is established or your YouTube channel is established, yes, you can enjoy your passive income, definitely. But until then, you do need to work. Maybe not work as much as you would work in an office, and this is definitely more interesting work, working online, but you definitely need to invest some time. So how are you going to promote this website? Usually what they suggest is that you buy traffic. So if you're not trained in how to buy traffic, how to advertise, you won't know who's going to come to this done for you site. It's all very well to have a website online, but who is going to come to your website and click on your link and then go to Amazon and then buy something, after which you get your commission? Nobody knows. Well, they do say that you need to buy some traffic, but I advise against it, at least not at the very beginning. You need to know a few other things before you waste loads of money on Google ads or Facebook ads. And number 7, I don't know if you can see this, your business is not your own. What does that mean? It means if you buy into one of these done-for-you systems, this system owns your business, because if they go bust or out of business, which they do and they will, you will lose your website, and all your hard work and the training, it's just going to disappear. So what you need to do instead is have your own website and have your own business online. More about that in a minute. So those are the cons. So is AZ Millionaire a scam? Well, you can get your money back if you have bought it already, so I can't really call it a scam, and you do get some training, not enough for you to start making money online, that is for sure. And what could you do instead? Well, you could do affiliate marketing. The very thing that AZ Millionaire Method suggests is just to do it for yourself. Have your own website, your own self-hosted website, build your business, scale it up, and truly become a millionaire. So how does affiliate marketing work? You choose a niche. You might have an interest in something, you might have a passion for something, or you might like writing, so you can write product reviews. You can do YouTube videos like this, like what I'm doing. Then you apply for an affiliate program. You can indeed go to Amazon.com and apply for their associates program, and then promote products from Amazon. Then have your own site and YouTube channel, just like I have my own website, Affiliate Marketing Action Today, and I have my YouTube channel. That is what I meant to say. And then you promote your affiliate links. You promote the products that you believe in, that you have used yourself, that you want to help other people with. And then when someone buys via your affiliate link, you get a commission. And that's it. There is no selling involved. There's no customer support. So I love affiliate marketing. I think it is the best online money-making online business model. So what to do next? Please click on the link in the description. You can join my #1 recommended platform for affiliate marketing training, and you can run your own business from there for free. You can join with just your email address. Please create your free account. Go through the first free 10 lessons in the online entrepreneur certification course. This will bring you to the point where you will have your website set up, and you will already have some content written for your website. And then start and grow your online business from there. That is how I started a year ago. As a complete newbie, I had no idea even what affiliate marketing meant. I'm ashamed to say, I had to go on Wikipedia and just type in, what is affiliate marketing? And when I read about it, I thought, this is it. This is what I would like to do. First of all, I can start it for free. A little disclaimer, you will have to invest a little bit of money down the line in your training. if you'd like to kind of advance with your website. But to start with, you can do it all for free. So anyway, this really suited me. I could start for free. I could learn about affiliate marketing. I could host my website at this place. I got 2 free websites that you can keep for life. You can stay a free member for life. And when you join, you get me as your coach. So I'll help you with all your first steps with choosing your niche or whatever help you might need. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.